Hello, today's an unboxing of the Anker Soundcore Liberty Pro 2 wireless earphones. These were just released October 8th, 2019, and they're available now on soundcore.com or wherever. The box is interesting. It's got a matte finish with some texture on it. Intelligently adapts to your unique hair profile. Okay, let's open this. Okay, Astra coaxial architecture. So this kind of marketing speak here apparently just means this is a balanced armature driver and this is a regular magnetic driver, and all they did was put this one inside and then align it directly to your ear, and that's the coaxial part and I do not know what Astria means. There's the balanced armature driver, dynamic driver, and this concentric design here. Okay, so yeah, it looks fairly nice. The case joined the audio revolution. Let's open this up here. Okay. I guess I will take it out rather than open it. This is the earbud. Let's take a look at these. Okay. Get started. It's fine. There are other things in here. Nothing in here. Looks like instructions. Quick start guide. Oh, nicely laid out tips, and these probably look like ear supports. USB-C charger. Okay, I guess I can take these out somehow. Yes, okay. Nothing else in the box other than some warranty information. Okay, let's put these off to the side. Okay, the case itself I've seen looks quite interesting. It moves pretty slickly. And the earbuds themselves go, I guess, like this. They're magnetic. Okay. It's not bad in terms of size, I think. For reference, here's an apple. Okay. Okay, so let's open this and take this off. Looks like LED light charging. Don't know what two lights blinking means. All right, quick start guide. Guess it doesn't matter. Tips. How to use Bluetooth. Okay. How do we sound? Customer care sticker. Instruction book. These apparently come off. There you go. If you need adjustable sizes. Okay, that's it.